Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts. Today I made this cute little scarecrow from a wine bottle and just a few simple supplies. If you'd like to know how to make one for yourself for fall, follow along with me to Gramma Vicki Crafts and I'll show you there with my full tutorial. So I've got the wine bottle and I've got some Dollar Tree lights. It's just a little package of the 10 clear lights from the Dollar Tree. And I've got some burlap. I think this is the 6-inch burlap. And with that, I made a circle. I know you can't see that, but I've folded over a piece of burlap. I've made a circle that is about 5 inches. And I also made a 5-inch circle on a piece of cardstock or thicker paper, and I'm going to cut that out as well too. I have a Cricut and I made a little scarecrow face, but you don't need a Cricut. If you can paint, I'm not a painter, so if you can paint eyes and a mouth and a nose, then you can make it that way. You'll need a few decorations, some ribbon and maybe just a little pumpkin or something to put on your hat afterwards, and some raffia. Now, I've also got, I'm using a skirt from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use that to stuff into my bottle along with my lights. So I'm going to get started, and I think I'll start with, I've got the lights in the bottle, so I'll start with putting the skirt down into my bottle. So the skirt looks like this when you take it out of the package, and I'm just going to take my scissors and just cut off a few strands. I'm not sure how many we're going to need, and just start stuffing it down into the bottle. And I have a dowel stick here too that I might need to help push it on down into the bottle. So we'll do that until we get as much in here as what we're going to need to fill the bottle. So I think I have the bottle stuffed with raffia as much as what I'm liking. So the next thing I did was I took my piece of, 2 pieces of burlap, and I cut out the circle. Then I folded it in half and I cut a slit. Then I folded it in half this way and I cut a slit. And this is going to be the brim of my scarecrow hat. Now, the purpose for the piece of harder paper is I'm going to separate these 2 pieces of burlap, and I'm going to put my piece of cardstock in. I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller. It doesn't have to be quite the same size, so we'll just cut it and make it a little bit smaller. It's just for the brim of the hat, so to keep it kind of firm. So then I'm going to Mod Podge that down. Get you down here. I'm going to Mod Podge that on there and Mod Podge the top circle on there. I'm going to cut my hole in the middle and place it down on my hat. So I'll be back. So I've put some Mod Podge on my piece of burlap. I've cut out, I've made my circle smaller. This started out to be a 5-inch circle and I've made it smaller. Cut a hole in the center so that this will go over my hole on my opening on the bottle. And I'm going to Mod Podge on top of this and put my other piece of burlap on top. And this is going to be the Scarecrow's hat. I'm just going to Mod Podge on top of this too. Make it a little bit so it's firm. And we'll set that aside to dry. So this is going to be the brim of his hat. So I now put the brim of my hat over the bottle. And before I did that, I had to make sure that I put my light piece that has the batteries in it up through the hat as well, so that it now hangs on the outside still. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to attach my battery pack with the light switch at the top. I'm going to attach it to the top of the bottle with a piece of masking tape. And that's going to hold that onto the neck of my bottle. And the rest of this is going to get stuffed back down in the bottle. So we'll attach this on to the neck of our bottle here, like so. And then because the hat is kind of stiff, it'll kind of give it some support there as well. Make sure it's attached good. So then this will all get tucked down inside the bottle neck as well. Then I have a piece of my burlap, and I folded it over. It's about an 8.5 inch piece, and I folded over the top and I hot glued it, and I hot glued one end. So what I'm going to do, this is going to be the top of my scarecrow hat. So now I have got my hat that I will glue on down to the brim here, and I'll glue this part together, and that'll be the top of my hat with the battery pack hidden inside there. So I'm going to go and do that part now. So there it is with the hat glued on, and I think that's looking pretty cute. And now I'm going to work on putting on his little face here, and then we'll decorate his little hat up here with a few little items, some leaves and a little pumpkin maybe, and stuff. And we'll see how it looks here after I get his little face on. So here he is with his little face on. So that looks pretty cute. And now I've just got a few little decorations that I've been playing around with up here on his hat. And then I'm going to take some of this different kind of raffia, sorry. And I'm going to make him some hair. And I'm just going to tuck that up all in and around here. And I'm going to hot glue that on. So we'll give him a little bit of hair, and we'll decorate his hat a little bit. And then I think I'm going to put a little bit of Mod Podge just on top of all of this, just to keep it glued down better. So all in all, he's looking pretty cute. So here he is, all finished, and I just hot glued some of this different type of raffia up into the top of the bottle underneath his hat. And there's our little scarecrow wine bottle. And I think he turned out pretty cute. So if this is something that you'd like to try, I hope you do. So until next time, please like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. And thanks so much for watching. Bye now.